In this video, we will learn how to use vertical align in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some data here. First, let's start how to use the vertical align. This is my heading of this data. I just drag this row. Okay. Now I am here using the vertical align. So here you can see here, you get here option the vertical align. Click on this arrow. You first get top, second middle, and third bottom. If I click on the top, you can see here that the heading is set in top of the cell. Okay, now I'm select middle. You can see here the heading in set in middle of the cell. Now I'm clicking bottom. The heading is set in bottom side. I just take in middle. I want to set in middle side. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.